Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to enable LED flash for alerts in iOS 16 on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and choose Accessibility from Settings menu. Again scroll down and under Hearing section choose Audio/Visual. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen and select LED flash for alerts. Turn on the toggle for LED flash for alerts. You can turn on flash when unlocked. That's it. Go back to settings and close Settings app. Going forward, whenever you receive any call or notification, the LED will flash to catch your attention. So these are the steps to enable LED flash for alerts in iOS 16 on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.